Hello everybody, I'm just popping in with a quick little Etsy update and freebie alert. Yes, you heard it right, freebie alert. I've been spending some time over the last few weeks creating this new digital printable. It came about because I was often frustrated at being able to find the right word and the right orientation for what I was doing. And so often I found that a vertical word was really the best thing for the space, and I've had to compromise and do something else because I didn't have those vertical words and I really wanted to create my own. So I've created a kit of 3 pages. I haven't counted how many words there are per page. They're the same words basically on each page, but the backgrounds differ and the fonts differ. And then there's a few little differences in the wording here and there, just to give you a little surprise, a little bit of fun, and to increase the range of what you've got. But in the main, they're the same words between each page. So this page, all the pages are done with my eco-dyed paper background. So this one's sort of more browny toned. Perfect to match with any nature theme, woodland theme, vintage, grunge, you know, whatever you like. They've got quite a few uses. So that's one page, and I've also got some little sayings down the bottom that are horizontally oriented, just because I wanted a bit of variety as well. So that's the first page. And then this page is more yellow and green. These first 3 that I've got here are printed on presentation paper. No, sorry, these ones are printed on copy paper. I had to feel it to check. These ones are done on copy paper. And then this is the 3rd page in the kit. Sorry, just trying to get it. And this one has got some really sort of rusty tones, some greens and browns, and so if you can see all those different sort of colours, and if you can see the different fonts, you may not be able to pick it up in the camera in the video, but pop along to Etsy. I'll pop the link in the description below the video. So each of these is a different font. So we've got a sort of a rustic typewritten font, then we've got a chunkier, heavier font here, and then there's a finer font on this one. So that's on copy paper. Then I've also printed it out on presentation paper. So if I grab back the copy paper version, so copy paper on the right and presentation paper on the left, you can see that pretty much they're the same. This one is slightly richer. The colours are more, just a tad, you probably don't even pick it up in the camera, just a tad more rich than the one on copy paper, but very minimal difference. So you can see they'll print out perfectly fine on just standard paper, or if you want to go to a heavier weight paper, they're going to look good on that as well. So I printed out the whole set on presentation paper as well, just to see what they would look like. And yeah, hopefully they'll be really usable for you guys. I've already been using them in my own work, which is super fun. Okay, so now we come to the freebie. So this is a smaller number of words, and the words on this are totally different to what's in the kit. So if you purchase the kit, then this is like an add-on. It's all new. It's got 2 different fonts, so a different font for the sayings, which again are different to the purchasable kit, and the vertical words, they're all different to the other kit, and the background is also different. This one's more pinky purpley, and again it's an eco-dyed background. So to get hold of this freebie, you do need to be a member of my Facebook group, Visual Vibes. My plan is to release a freebie for every digital kit that I put up on Etsy that will go with it. That's the plan anyway. But this is the first of what I hope to be many freebies. So if you're interested in grabbing a freebie, you don't need to have purchased the kit. You can totally just have the freebie and leave it at that. So no purchase required. It just requires that you join my group and be in there. And there's a few rules around the use of the freebies. So the freebies you can use in your own art and craft. You can sell work that you've made with them. But I just ask that you don't share them outside the group, that if somebody wants a copy, that you refer them to the group so that they can join and then they can download their own copy. So pretty simple, really. So come along, join the group. If you're not already in there, grab yourself a freebie and have a play. And if you do use it, then I'd love to see what you make using this over in Visual Vibes in the Facebook group. So I will remember, cross fingers, to link the group as well. So that's it for this, just a quick little video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.